Today I will show you how to make a small wreath ornament for your Christmas tree. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. Now raise 10 needles on the front bed of the machine and arrange them in 1-to-1 division. Set the front lock to N and the stitch size to 1. Set the back lock to GX and insert the black strippers. Now take the main yarn. I'm using 2 strands of acrylic yarn. Knit 1 row and raise the rest of the needles. On the front bed, increase the stitch size to 4 and knit 1 row. Increase the stitch size to 5 and knit 3 rows. Tap on the needles to tighten the yarn when knitting the first few rows. Set the back lock to N and the stitch size to 6. Now raise 4 needles in 1-to-1 division on the back bed. Tap on the needles and knit 1 row. Put all needles on the back bed out of working position. Use 2 triple-decker tools, take the stitches in the middle and change their places. The first time is a bit hard to make the cables, but then it gets easier. You can use the orange tool to move the stitches on the needles. Now lower the front bed and attach a weight to the knitting. Make sure the weight is not in the way of the strippers. Raise the front bed and knit 3 rows. Now raise 4 needles in 1-to-1 division on the back bed. Knit 1 row and put the needles on the back bed out of working position. Now move the stitches the same way to make the cables. Every time you have to transfer the stitches the same way. First I'm moving the right group to the left, then I'm moving the left group to the right. To make the wreath, you have to repeat these steps a total of 13 times or until the row counter is at 52 rows. Now take off the weights and move the edge springs. Use the double-decker tool and cast off the stitches. Don't forget to support me by liking the video. Also, you can tell me, do you want to make a video showing this process up close? Finally, cut the yarn from the lock and pull the tail through the last stitch. Now it should look like this. You have to sew it to form a loop, then sew the back sides or just pull it until they curl inwards. And that is the final result. I'm showing you the red one because you can see it better in the video. That's all for today, thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.